when you look for when you advise people to take it as a career, uh, there's one sector who takes design as a career, but our focus is to also make the people aware that there is a career stream of the operation maintenance also, which is also equally lucrative, which is also equally in demand. So, what advice you wish to give it to the people about this particular sector of operation maintenance of this industry? And what are the plus points of this sector to make the career of the operation maintenance of the HVAC and MM?
See, operation and maintenance, you have to, first you should have a target of zero breakdown. Have a target of zero breakdown. Once you have in your mind that my target is zero breakdown, then you will concentrate further. How it is possible to achieve mere zero breakdowns? Then your inventory management comes into picture. Minimum spares that I need to maintain at my site, at my office. So inventory management comes into picture. That inventory management also has to be done in a proper manner. Once again, manpower handling. How to handle your manpower properly. Look, each and every individual got has some plus point and some minus point. First, concentrate on your employees' plus points. What are the plus points? What are the plus points? And what are the minus points? Once you know your plus points and minus point of your staff, try to concentrate on the minus points to convert it into plus point of that particular individual, whosoever he might be. He might be a fitter, it might be a refrigeration technician. Try to make him aware that this is your minus point, this is where you're going wrong. So this also becomes a part of your manpower and enhancing his skills. Try to make your technicians multi-skills.
Yeah.
It should not happen that there is some problem and he says, sir, it's an electrical problem. I don't know, I'm not so thorough with electrical. Then you have to get in touch with the electrical department. Then the electrician will come. To the extent possible, you should be an electromechanical. Filler is also equally important. Your electrical part is also equally important. You should concentrate on the electrical part. If he's not there, then the senior person, who is his reporting officer, should guide him how to read the electrical drawing. What goes wrong, where it goes wrong, why it has gone wrong. Okay, first you get rid of your problem, then you can go for your YY analysis. And YY analysis and root cause analysis are a very important part of operation and maintenance.
Right.
And when we talk about zero maintenance, once again, your TPM comes into picture, which is very important. Now, TPM can be total productive management, total preventive management, total predictive management. Now, preventive management is different, predictive management is different. Preventive is you're trying to prevent something, like regularly greasing, oiling your pump, gear, bearings, etc. This is preventive. But predictive is something you're going to predict. When you talk about predictive maintenance, there are a lot of people who take the logbook that you maintain very easily. In fact, your logbook is a very essential part of your predictive management. Predictive maintenance. Now, predictive maintenance, how come it is? See, you're always looking at the differential pressure across the chill water inlet and outlet, cooling water inlet and outlet. Now, slowly and steadily, you find that your condenser water or the cooling water, you're saying, the delta P is increasing, which is again an pointing a finger that your condenser tubes are getting choked. Not today, but maybe a month, 2 months, 3 months later, you are going to face a problem of high discharge pressure. So once again, this becomes a part of your predictive maintenance.
Correct.
The entire logbook, each and every, it's a big subject, maintaining your proper logbook and how to understand if I'm recording this reading, what is the importance? Why am I maintaining this reading? Every 1 hour I'm keeping this, maintaining this logbook. Why? So that should be explained to the operator or at least to the reporting officer. What input he is getting. For example, he is maintaining the pump current, compressor current every 1 hour. You can put a graph. At this particular period, my compressor current goes up. So it is loading. Current is going down. It is unloading. It's evening time now. The load has come down. Definitely, you will have a lot of things to understand over here in this maintaining the logbook.
Yes.